Today I'm going to show you how to make your new favorite strawberry salad from our New York Times best-selling cookbook. This one is so simple. It is absolutely beautiful, and the dressing really makes it. You're gonna love it. And I'm craving some strawberry salad, so let's get started. Start by toasting your sliced almonds in a dry skillet over medium heat. Toasting nuts makes them smell and taste so much better, and it adds a little extra crunch. Just be sure to toss frequently so they don't burn, and cook until they're fragrant and lightly golden. Now on to the dressing. You can do this in a measuring cup or a mason jar. Combine extra virgin olive oil, some red wine vinegar. Also, we're sweetening this with honey because it is, after all, a honey vinaigrette. Also add Dijon mustard, which is a key ingredient here. It adds flavor and also helps to emulsify the dressing. Season that with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper, then whisk it up. And if you're using a mason jar, you can just shake until it's combined. Once that's blended and the honey is incorporated, set it aside, and we're gonna put together this strawberry salad. We'll start with some quick prep of our ingredients. Thinly slice a 1/4 cup of red onion. The onion adds a nice little punch to the salad. Just make sure you don't add too much because you don't want it to overwhelm the delicate strawberry flavor. A little bit goes a long way here. Once that's sliced up, set it aside, and now we're gonna slice our strawberries. Cut off the tops and thinly slice the strawberries. Since strawberries are the star ingredient here, I do like to add a generous amount. This salad is especially delicious when you're using in-season sweet summer strawberries. To assemble the salad, I like using a shallow and wide salad bowl for a prettier presentation. Start with 5 ounces of a spring greens mix. This is about 5 cups of loosely packed greens. You can also use just spinach if you want to, but I love the variety here. Next, arrange your sliced strawberries over the top. Follow that with your red onion. Next, sprinkle on your toasted and cooled almonds. I do like to be generous with those almonds also because they add such a good crunch to every bite of this salad. Last but not least, we're gonna add some crumbled feta cheese. You can use either crumbled cheese or use a block of feta and dice it up. All right, there you have it. The salad is done. So easy to throw this together with just a few simple ingredients. And of course, those fresh summer strawberries, which I love so much. All right, all that we have left to do is to dress this salad and enjoy it. And seriously, this dressing is goals. The honey in it works so well with the strawberries. Just the right amount of sweet and tangy and so good. Okay, go ahead and just add this to taste. Feel free to be generous with that dressing. All right, all that's left to do is to serve this and enjoy it. You can toss the salad together, or you can just serve it like it is because it's so pretty. I kind of don't want to ruin it. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Just dig in. Here we go. Oh my goodness, yes. Let us load up with as many toppings as possible as will fit into our bowl. This has so much great flavors, great textures, those crunchy nuts in there. The cheese makes it a little bit creamy. Dig in. So saucy. Oh, you guys are gonna love this strawberry salad. All the combination of flavors and colors and textures, everything about this is good. I will leave this recipe in the notes below, as well as a link to our new cookbook. Let me know if you guys have any recipe requests for our channel, whether it's a salad or something else that you want to see us share. And let me know where you spotted Sharky. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the salad. We'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen.